Okay, we're back and we're looking at the front of the Jeep Grand Cherokee L, which has the chrome tow hooks right at the front all set up. Sleek styling in 2022, sophisticated with LED lights, fog lamps, front sensors, so if you're going up to a bumper or anything in front, a child or something, an object, it will actually beep, 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 let you know sensor zones in the front with a full windshield. Going to the side here, it's also got collision alert with the lights, with the LED lights for your signal light. Customers coming up to you to come pass by. It's actually got a triangle. It'll actually show you highlighted on the side. Someone's coming. Safety features that you need in 2022. Okay, we're back inside the interior of this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. One of the styling sophisticated features is with the auto window down, which will automatically roll down. Driver, passenger, and the rear, which is great. Window lock, key lock, memory seating. With also this key feature that customers don't understand in a vehicle like this, you have a massager in this vehicle. Huge, huge feature. Which comes in power seats, 10-way, with lumbar support. Going through the vehicle, it's got adaptive cruise, state-of-the-art screening. This one just got delivered in, so we don't have the screens right up, so it needs to be PDI, pre-delivery inspection, but everything is showing. Then you can also have your 4x4 mode up in here, which is all good. Great unit, ready to sell. Shane Osepchuk, St.Albert Dodge, come see me. We'll have an experience.